Zahara, I just want to quickly tell you guys how I met her. I met her before she recorded an album. I met her. She was basking at a restaurant in Islam.
First person who gave my paper money, somizi.
I was the first person to give her a paper note in her basket, and I had a stash of 20 rands, and the only part I wanted. Cling, legi, cling, cling, and I go pinda. Cling, legi, ling, legi, cling, and it pinda foot. I
don't even know me then.
Song was a hit to me before she even recorded it, and I guess that's the song that they discovered her with. And I knew from that time. And
I've been trying for 40 years, for 30 years, for 16 years. Yeah. She
became one of the biggest superstars that we have. The other day I posted something about.
By the way, thank you, DJ Spoo. He's always been a brother to me.
We owe her an apology, and I'm one of the people that owes her an apology. And there was a time I remember I was hosting the Summer Awards, and I made a joke about her drinking and stuff. And only later in years you realize what you say to people, how you make people feel. It's very important how you make people feel, and I learned my lesson because I took it for granted as a joke. You don't know how much you hurt people.
I always say they don't hate me. Whomever is saying anything about me, whomever is doing anything wrong to me, they don't hate me. It's just jealousy.
We had time on earth to reconcile and become friends again.
They were saying themselves, this dream that she's living, I wanted.
But still she went through a rough time. Where was Somizi? Nowhere. Where were we? Nowhere.
For me to come and play for him, and that's why I feel so blessed.
We have failed her.
Learn the game. We make a lot of mistakes. We get it.
As an industry, as friends, we have failed her, and we.
In the music industry, make a lot of money, but I'm happy that you had to learn quick and move on and become mature and become.
It was reported that you wanted to sue TS Records because you believe they owed you 10 to 30 million in royalties.
They still owe me. Today I've got my own record label, and I've joined ventures with Warner Music. And you must think where my inspiration is there. Tracy Chapman signed Anna Warner, so I'm with her now. The person that inspired me. And
so you went to the news?
Yes. I went to the news. I did not go to the papers. Live on TV.
You are a very special girl. And South Africa is very blessed to have you. And may God bless you. And wherever you go, may the stars never shine upon your life.
Real?
It's for real, Brad. You think I will go to the news?
DJ Spoo? My sister very proud of you. Very proud of you. Who are you listening? What's my name? What's my name?
It's all about that, and I do not want to relive the past. As much as, yes, they owe me so much, the problem is, if I do not have money, then I have to go to court all the time, and I have to hire a lawyer, and then I have to pay that lawyer with the money that I don't have. But at the end of the day, they know what they did. Me, I move on. That's why you see me.
Rocky.
Okay.
The money they owe you, is it proceeds from sales? Or is it
everything?
Bookings?
Everything.
So they handled your bookings as well?
Everything.
So how much were you... So how,
I'm in a good space where I want to start my life. I'm in a good space and I'm loving myself, so please.
What would you tell TK and Lisa and DJ Spoo if they were here right now?
I love them.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wow.
With all that they did?
I love them.
Wow.
Because I do.
But I don't understand the whole thing with you and them, like what happened there.
You don't understand it because you won't.
Nah.
Let it be to God.
If they own your... Okay, how much were you charging when you were performing at the time?
It depends. People, they negotiate 80,000 or 120 with the full band or 100.
How much were you getting from that?
Ngithe phuma apho chomu uyayazwa bebenika i-15,000 but kwa yona lo 15,000 njengandiyicale ndiyicele.
Ouch.
So please.
Per performance or per month?
Angeke sufuna ubuyisele emva.
Okay.
Ndilapha ngoku.